YouTube family, welcome to another exciting video on our channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. You must have heard many unimaginable stories of the conditions that Babalawo and also Juju men give their clients just to have temporary and quick wealth. It would even shock you to know that some big boys you see and envy who drive luxurious sports cars and spend money like it grows on grass have very specific and weird conditions that they have to follow in order to stay alive and also keep getting the money that they have. I have also heard very disturbing stories of how Yahoo boys are forced to eat disgusting things like excreta or vomit and also live chicken. And all of these things are just to stay happening and relevant as the doing boys of the states. And others are given conditions from their juju master, which some of them include sleeping only at night and eating very rotten and decayed foods. Well, all of those are very shocking stories, but trust me, none of that compares to what I'm about to tell you today about a Yahoo boy who drives luxurious cars worth over 400 million naira but yet lives in a thatched and uncompleted building. Omo, you sef shock abi, like this one no be meant be this. Don't worry, I'll give you more details on this as I introduce to you today's topic. Meet the popular Yahoo boy who drives 500 million naira Lamborghini and lives in a thatched house as instructed by Juju man. But just before we dive straight into this content, if you're new on our channel, please do well to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon for more spicy content and videos. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Just imagine walking into a compound and seeing a luxurious car like that of Davido, which she just got, the Lamborghini Aventador, which cost about 310 million naira. And then this kind of luxurious car is parked in front of a house that is not completed. In fact, a thatched house, and like those ones found in Nollywood village movies. What exactly will come to your mind seeing a car in such house like this? Of course, you'd wonder what exactly is going on. And this is because it's very abnormal for such luxury to be parked in front of a poor man's house. And even if my papa gets that kind house, the guy for not drive that kind luxurious car to such a compound. But sadly, this is the fate of a popular Yahoo boy in Nigeria who goes about being all big and flashy, but yet does not have a house to himself. And this is instructed by Juju man and Babalawo, who clearly stated that for him to remain rich for a long while, he has to live in a thatched house, but can do any other thing he likes, like buying luxurious cars, traveling all over the world. But just once he comes back home, he has to live in a thatched house. And to all those thinking, well, why don't he live outside the country for the rest of his life? That also does not work, because once he lives out of the country for up to 1 week, he would die. Omo, this is indeed so sad at the lengths people go for just money. Like, what's the essence of having so much wealth if you can't enjoy it the way you want to? And on top of that, having a Babalawo and Juju man telling you how to spend your money, if not you're going to die. And this just reminds me of the saying that the devil gives to the left hand and collects with the right. And this is why you should be very careful of the kind of people you associate yourself with. And because most of them, especially those who have very flashy lifestyles, you just never can tell the kind of sacrifices they had to take to have such riches. And aside this guy's story of having such luxury cars but still living in a thatched house, other very disgusting and disturbing stories I've heard of Yahoo boys and their Babalawo's conditions is one, sleeping at night but with your door wide open, while others don't even have the privilege to sleep at night because if they do, they die. So they have to stay awake all through the night, but once it's morning, they are allowed to sleep. Can you just imagine such ridiculous conditions for wealth? But I don't even blame them. These days, people do anything just for money. But I'd like to hear from you. Can you do this just for wealth and fame? Or would you rather work hard for so many years to make your own money? Please share your opinions with me in the comment section below. And away from this story, some other Yahoo boys are also doing very unimaginable things with their money. And this particular one was seen where a group of Yahoo boys and also girls were throwing tons of money in a wedding party. Like they just stormed the party wearing all black and sprayed lots of money in 20 naira denominations. And watching this video, it seems so funny because how would you share such money in a wedding party? Like just 20 naira, abi just a start that they do Yahoo. But however, this captured the attention of many social media users and they wonder what exactly was going on. And reacting to this, one person said in the comment section, "You guys weren't informed. INEC gave them their certificates yesterday, hence why they came prepared to spray some bundles. Everything sprayed was 16,520 naira. Another person adding said, "All these ones don't get 5 million for account, things say life don't finish." You can just imagine making small 300 or 400,000 naira and just believe you made it in life. Omo, e go shock them all. Just after 1 week the money don't finish. And reacting to this, another person said, "Whoa, e no easy anywhere. Make una dey try appreciate anything you see, cause some people get big and can't drop kobo. I love friends that support with their little, cause when they big shit, they will do the same." Another person said, "Dem go soon carry you guys go EFCC, dem dey wait you. Omo, boys are becoming so bold these days. Even though it's 10 or 20 naira, dem just wan spray you and feel among." And another person reacting to this noted, "Na Benin boys, na so 20 naira and 10 naira dem dey spray. But guy, why come embarrass yourself spray such low amount of money now?" But well, anyways, who even knows if that's what their babalawo had told them to do? Because these days, you can never trust anybody, and many shocking things they happen for society. And also in line with these, another video was showcased on social media where a group of boys had finished from school in Uniport, and in a show of appreciation for his father who sent him to school, the young lad sprayed his father with tons of 100 naira notes. And from the video, you'd see how the young boy was so humbled of how his father had trained him in school all the years, and even knelt down in front of the man, while his friends gathered around and sprayed Baba lots of money. Omo, I have to say, this particular video brought so much joy to my heart. Although I may not know the source of the money, but it's so humbling to see how young boys still respect and love their fathers. Because this cannot be said for many young boys out there who are into Yahoo and fraud. Because for many of them, once they hit small 5 million naira, them don't forget mama and papa totally. But at least, these ones remember their father's effort and how he had sacrificed for them. But I'd really like to know why the trend of spraying money is becoming very normal amongst guys. And this is because in another video, some yet to be recognized members of Forbes list had received prayers and praises after spraying money for a particular man. And from this video, you'd see that these guys are very young boys between the ages of 19 and 23, and even driving expensive cars like Venza, Corolla and also Benz. And with such doings like this, one will be forced to ask the question, what exactly do these guys do for a living? Because definitely there is no way they'll be working in Nigeria at that age and be making such amounts of money. And even though they are making big amounts of money working online or whatever, no normal human being who works so hard for his money would want to waste it just like that. And even billionaires like Otedola and Dangote, you'd hardly see them spraying money for people. Then how much more young boys who have a very long way to go in life? And still talking about these Yahoo boys and how they spend outrageous sums of money, a particular video making rounds on social media right now is about some Benin boys who attended a birthday party in a club and burnt down over 10 million naira in just one night. As in, it was just like Father Christmas had come to Nigeria in that club. As these young boys bought drinks worth over 1.1 million naira in just barely 10 minutes. Omo, this one passed the remeo. I don't even know what it is anymore, because such amount of doings is just outrageous. And reacting to this in the comment sections, many netizens had interesting things to say concerning these particular Yahoo boys. One person said, "You know they move me, who you want impress? You go still enter bankruptcy with money where you no work for." Another person said, "Well, I no go talk because na them know how come about such funds regardless. But what exactly is becoming of young Nigerians these days? And that all they ever think of is money, money and more money. And virtues like passion and hard work are very far away from them, because all that clouds their mind is just temporary forms of getting quick money." And sadly, this has eaten very deep into our youth mentality and mindset. And now it's either two of both things, Yahoo or doing rituals, while the girls are known to go into prostitution and doing a shower work.